Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the Arduino Uno board. Friends, Arduino is an open source electronics platform. In Arduino we can use very easy to use hardware and software. There are different types of Arduino Uno microcontroller board available depending upon the applications. Today we will discuss about the most popular board named Arduino Uno. So let us start. In our Arduino Uno board, let us have a quick review of Arduino Uno board. Number 1, there is a USB port. You can see there is a USB port. This USB port is used to transfer the program to Arduino Uno board from your computer. When this port is connected to your computer, Arduino Uno does not require any external power. Number 2, barrel jack. Arduino Uno board can be powered up directly from the external power supply by connecting power to this barrel jack. Number 3, voltage regulator. This voltage regulator regulates the voltage and provides the required control voltage to the processor. Number 4, crystal oscillator. This helps the microcontroller to deal with the time-related issues. And this is the reset pin. The microcontroller can be reset through this pin by connecting a external reset button to this pin. One reset button is also provided on the microcontroller board to reset the microcontroller program. These two pins provide the positive supply output voltage for the sensors to be connected to board. These pins provide the 3.3 and 5 volts DC for the sensors. These two pins provide the ground voltage for your external sensors to be connected at the board. Vin can be used to power up the Arduino Uno board from external 5-volt DC voltage. There are analog inputs. Arduino Uno board has 6 analog inputs from A0 to A5. This is microcontroller. The microcontroller is the heart of this Arduino Uno system. You can see there is a power on LED. If this LED is light up, that means your Arduino Uno board is powered up correctly. And these are transmitting and receiving LEDs. The transmitting LED flashes at the different speed while sending the data, and the receiving LED flashes at when the microcontroller receives the data. The speed of TX and RX of flashing depends on the baud rate used by the board. These are input and output pins. There are total 14 digital input and output pins. These digital input and output pins can be configured both as digital input or as digital output pins. The 6 pins also can provide the pulse width modulation output, and this is the AREF pin. AREF stands for analog reference. It is sometimes used to set an external reference voltage between 0 to 5 volts.